am Becky Muturi,
Margaret Mauna,
Ivy Gadasha,
Chiza Konyango,
Marie Shikuku,
and we are Team White Hats.
In 2011, Kenya received the highest arrivals of tourists, that is 1.8 million tourists. The number has since declined to an average of 500,000 tourists per year. This has mainly been because of terrorism. Terrorism has changed the face of Kenya towards tourists. Tourists regard Kenya as an insecure country despite the enhancement of security.
The solution to this problem is our app, the BuzzTrip app. It changes the face of Kenya again to tourists, to a place that it's a very culturally diverse place that is actually very fun to be in. We do this by giving cultural information about communities that we address and also translating the basic languages of the communities that we address. Finally, I think this app will be very important to anthropologists, researchers, and journalists when they're doing research about communities.
How will this app get to our market, you may ask? BuzzTrip app will be available on Google Play Store and also by sending APKs to friends through emails. The good thing with our app is that it's totally free of charge. Our main competition is Magical Kenya, Explorer Kenya, and TripAdvisor, which provide tourist services such as ticketing and places of interest. However, our main competitive edge is that our app provides basic language translation of our local community. In future, we plan to have ticketing for our customers, where our customers can book hotels and events online. In 10 years to come, BuzzTrip sees itself expanding to Africa, where our market is broader and larger.
Our market includes tourists, researchers such as anthropologists, journalists, and exchange program students who would like to know more about a place, the people, and its culture. So our major target market are the tourists. On an average of 500,000 tourists visit Kenya every year. So we estimate 1,000 tourists of these would be interested in our app. So if we include other groups such as the researchers and local tourists, this could sum up to a total of 1,200 people for a start as our market size. So this is how we intend to earn our money. We intend to earn our money through adverts for companies and package adverts also. So for example, for a start, you could be having 50 companies who could be advertising their products through our application. So if they pay us 50 shillings every week, this could sum up to a total of 2,500 shillings earned in a week. So if we estimate this to a year, it could end up to 135,000 shillings earned.
Another way we intend to make our money is by offering users an option to upgrade to a premium level, which does not involve advertisements. In a year, for example, assuming that 200 of our users would like to upgrade to a level without any ads, that is a premium level, then each of them would be required to pay a sum of 200 shillings, giving us a total income of 40,000 shillings in a year. Our company, BuzzTrip Company, is based in Nairobi, Kenya. It has 5 founders, and for a start, we are developing the app on our own with the help of our coach as well as other computer students who are well equipped with the skills. With our app, there ain't no worries for the rest of your days, especially in the tourism industry. Hakuna Matata.